360-degree cameras have been slowly creeping into the mainstream, with content creators, extreme sports enthusiasts, and even casual vloggers embracing their potential. But with each iteration, there's always that one camera that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Enter the Insta360 X5, a device that has been making waves even before its official launch. With rumors swirling and leaks hinting at some insane upgrades, the big question remains, is the Insta360 X5 here to destroy the competition? Let's break it down. One of the defining characteristics of the Insta360 X series is its elongated, flat design, which enhances portability and ease of use, especially when mounted on a selfie stick. This design is expected to remain largely unchanged in the upcoming X5, but with some notable refinements. For instance, the X5 could feature a slightly smaller and lighter body, potentially reducing its weight from 200 grams to around 180 grams, making it even more convenient to carry and handle. Additionally, while the X4 introduced removable lens guards, the X5 might take lens protection a step further by incorporating built-in reinforced safeguards to minimize scratches and damage. The 2.5-inch touchscreen, a standout feature of the X4, is also likely to be retained, with possible upgrades to improve responsiveness and brightness for enhanced outdoor visibility. These anticipated changes suggest that the X5 will build on the strengths of its predecessor while addressing user needs for durability and usability. While nothing is confirmed yet, there are some major expectations for the X5. The transition from the X3 to the X4 brought significant upgrades like 8K recording, better stabilization, and AI-powered editing tools, setting a high bar for what's next. One of the most anticipated features is a larger sensor, with rumors suggesting the X5 could feature a larger 2 or 3-inch sensor, up from the X4's a half-inch. This upgrade would greatly enhance low-light performance and overall image quality, making nighttime and indoor shots much clearer. Low-light capabilities have long been a challenge for 360-degree cameras, and the X5 might finally address this issue head-on. In terms of video resolution, while the X4 already offers 8K, the X5 could bring improvements in compression, higher bit rates, or better frame rates, even if 10K seems unlikely. Audio recording is another area ripe for enhancement, with AI-driven noise reduction becoming more common, like in the iPhone 16, Insta360 might introduce smart audio processing to reduce wind noise and improve clarity. GPS tracking is also on the wish list for many users, especially adventure and travel videographers, and with competitors like GoPro. Insta360 may follow suit by implementing GPS stamping. Finally, battery life and thermal management have been persistent issues, particularly when shooting high-resolution video for extended periods. To tackle this, the X5 could adopt a more efficient cooling system, similar to GoPro's new heatsink technology, ensuring longer, uninterrupted recording sessions. All these potential upgrades make the X5 one of the most anticipated releases in the 360-degree camera market. This is the million-dollar question. If you're itching to get into 360-degree filming, the Insta360 X4 is already one of the best options available. With 8K video, AI-powered editing, and excellent stabilization, it's a powerhouse. However, if the rumored upgrades of the X5, especially the larger sensor and better low-light performance, are important to you, it might be worth waiting. That said, no one knows exactly when the X5 will be released, and waiting could mean missing out on months or even a year of capturing great footage. Plus, the X5 will almost certainly be more expensive than the X4, so if budget is a concern, grabbing the X4 now might be the better move. Insta360 has long been the frontrunner in the 360-degree camera market, but the competition is heating up as other major players step up their game. The GoPro Max 2, rumoured for release in 2025, is expected to bring improved stabilization, higher resolution, and a more compact design, potentially challenging Insta360's stronghold on the market if GoPro delivers on its promises. Meanwhile, DJI's potential entry into the 360-degree space with an Osmo 360 camera could also disrupt the industry, given the company's expertise in image stabilization and AI-driven features, making it a brand to watch. Additionally, Ricoh continues to refine its Theta series with the Theta X2, offering high-quality stills and 360-degree video capabilities. While Ricoh may not match Insta360's aggressive marketing strategies, its consistent performance and reliability ensure it remains a solid competitor in the space. With these advancements on the horizon, Insta360 will need to innovate further to maintain its leadership in the increasingly competitive 360-degree camera market. If Insta360 adheres to its historical release pattern, the X5 is likely to arrive sometime in 2025. Reviewing past releases, such as the Insta360 X in October 2018, the One X2 in October 2020, the X3 in September 2022, and the X4 in April 2024, there's typically a 2-year gap between models. However, with the X4 launching just 1.5 years after the X3, it's possible the X5 could debut even sooner. Adding complexity to the timing, competitors like GoPro and DJI are rumoured to enter the 360-degree camera market in 2025, with the long-awaited GoPro Max 2 and a potential DJI Osmo 360 camera on the horizon. To maintain its edge, Insta360 might aim for a summer or fall 2025 launch for the X5. As for pricing, the X5 is expected to fall within the $500 to $600 range, aligning with its predecessor and staying competitive with GoPro and DJI's anticipated offerings. That said, if the rumoured upgrades, particularly the larger sensor, are confirmed, the price could potentially rise higher. Thank you for tuning in. The Insta360 X5 has the potential to be the ultimate 360-degree camera, especially with rumoured improvements in sensor size, low light performance, audio quality, GPS tracking, and battery life. However, as competition from GoPro and DJI increases, Insta360 must implement significant enhancements to maintain its market lead. The question is, how will the competition respond? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.